Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have a potassium meson. It rests and it decays into 2 pi mesons. And we want to know what are the, so it goes into 2 pi mesons. And we want to know what are the allowed combinations of 0, plus, and minus decay products. And then we want to know the total amount of energy for the mesons. So how do we find this question? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to know that the kinetic energy comes from the mass decrease. So for the second part, as long as we find the first, we find the correct combination, use the change of mass to find out the kinetic energy, because that's the amount of energy that is released, and that is released in the form of kinetic energy. So for the first part, the charge must be conserved. So because we have positive charge over here, then there must be a positive charged meson. And then the next one, 2 pi mesons, the next one, mesons without charge, and this is the only possibility. And then we can find the mass decrease. The mass potassium minus mass of 2 pi mesons, and this is going to be 493.7 minus 135.01 minus 139.6, and everything has a unit of MeV over c squared. So this is to be 219.1 MeV over c squared. So the energy that is released is this much, is 219.1. There is no c squared because the energy is mc squared. So and it's 219.1 MeV.